Hello, everybody. This is Tyler Forsyth here, and welcome to Tomb Raider 2 review. We are reviewing the Pacific Ocean levels. So, before I get started, this is the best I've done in the Wreck of the Maria Doria. I used 0 med packs. I got all the secrets. They had 34 minutes. Usually I take an hour plus to finish Wreck of the Maria Doria, but as before, I show you the hardest level in the bunch. Tibet has 2 hard levels. Honestly. And the Pacific Ocean is 1 hard level. So, anyway, decided to do what I did before, which is try to look for jobs. Because I need one. I had an interview yesterday. I thought it went well, but let me look for jobs. Okay. Okay. United States. There's only 21. Okay. Location, Arizona. Search. Oh, data. AZ. Search. Oh, data. Okay. Well, let me look through United States. See if that pops up anything. Okay, well, this is a bust. Okay. Alright. Work from home, customer service. Yeah, sure. Apply on LinkedIn. Yeah, sure. That's easy enough. Why? Yeah. Apply. I don't have one. Yeah, there we go. My feet really do stink. I don't know why they do, but I have to go through all that. Yep, I agree. import from resume. And resume. File. Upload. Cool. Cover letter. I can do that. Just customer service representative. Okay, saved. Cool. Reload, reload, reload. There we go. Okay. Upload. Yeah, so the underwater levels are levels that a lot of people hate. And I would say yeah. Position title. Oh no, I gotta get the. Oh wait, I think I remember. Business phone. Copy that. Put that in here. Perfect. Okay. That's it. All right. I'll just put that there just to give them an idea. There we go. Okay, next. Mobile phone. Country code. Oh. Oh, okay. 602. Yeah. Phone. Mobile phone. Whoops. Alrighty. Edit. Gosh. This is so intensive. My God, dude. I hate this so much. Oh, it's so much. Anyway, what? Okay. Alright. Oh, education. 08 8. There we go. Okay. Yep. Okay, save that. Okay. Alright. And then edit this. I'm gonna only include 3, I think. Whoops. Don't worry, we'll get there. Just really hate the thorough, really hate the thorough ones because they take time. Not that I don't have the time, I just really don't like how thorough this is. There is no division/department. Oh, okay, yeah. Then yeah. Okay, reason for leaving. Found better career opportunity. You could say that I'm stalling. Which, you wouldn't be wrong. I am kind of stalling, but... oh my goodness. Yes. No. Career website. Sure. I am white. I am male. I am bisexual, but I will always identify as male on the thing, just because places don't offer that always. So, okay, are you good? Is it okay for me to do the review? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, I really hate some aspects of the water levels, but I think they have a lot of good atmosphere. I also think that the levels on display are not that bad. Okay. So 40 Fathoms. Start out with third best FMB in Tomb Raider 2. Laura's on a yellow submarine that has Marco Bartoli on it, which goes deeper. He uses a camera and claw to observe Laura. Then a shark rams the submarine. The submarine dives and Laura observes the shark moving past her. You start out on the ocean floor. The submarine crashes to the bottom and Laura has to swim without oxygen to a rusted sunken ship. Laura follows the debris of the ship to an opening in it with a shark chasing her. She gets air, finds another shark, pulls a lever, and escapes to a room with blue boxes, water, and a high opening where ceiling guardrails can be seen. Laura goes under a box to a platform where a lever drains the water. Laura gets up a platform to the stone dragon, secret with a shotgun guy. A trapdoor opens after jumping, and a shotgun guy and bat guy are below. Several climbing obstacles lead to an underwater light room with a secret lever along the beginning wall, leading to a shark, two barracudas, and the Jade Secret in an underwater rock area by glass. Small. Then there is a burner puzzle which requires a lever to be pulled to open a door to get to another lever with a fake ladder. One lever turns off the beginning burners, another turns off the second set of burners, and one right above a burner opens the door ahead. The door leads to two barracudas, a trap door to go up into a 3-story underwater area. The underwater area has a sneaky lever on the second story to open a door at the bottom level leading to the gold secret dragon. It's on the 3rd story, I believe. And a lever that opens the trapdoor to escape. There's a curvy hallway that leads to an orange dirt room that goes to a lower level with dirt and a box that is pulled at an end of the room to get to an alcove with a lever that lets dirt through, and an earthquake happens. The second level, right side, is traversed over a dirt pile to the third level, which has a lever that filled the room with water. Then the second level, left side, has a mountain to traverse over to get to an alcove that has a lever that opens an underwater door in the room that was affected with water. The first level is traversed to the north end to the water-filled room with a harpoon guy and a pile of harpoons. The underwater passage leads to an opening above to a steel bat guy, a shotgun guy, a pile of harpoons. Then there is the lever to get out, a large med pack, and shotgun shells that are dropped. The rank is awesome. The rating is 9. First full underwater theme level. Great atmosphere. Fair all the way. People are balanced. The gunmen are balanced. Multiple levels are used vertically and horizontally at the same time. Backtracking is done really well. Fair for beginner and expert at the same time. I think 40 Fathoms is a demonstration of an atmospheric level. An atmospheric level is a level that executes a theme very well to the point where it feels like you are actually in that place. The Great Wall was a very atmospheric level that made you feel like you were actually at the Great Wall of China. And Venice also does this by making you feel like you are actually there. You're around sinking buildings, you're in a boat, you're taking care of gunmen at reasonable distances. here you're on the bottom of the ocean floor, and you're basically doing things to move things along in the water, essentially. Anyway, the next level is terrible. It's an awful level. And so I will stall again. What? Yes. This is my review. I'm gonna stall. Okay. Let me stall once again. Okay. Yes. This might be an interesting one, so I'll put it on the follow-ups. Okay. Alrighty. I want, yep. Must have CDL or be able E, probably. Ability to work, must be able to work. Okay. Sure. I'll do that. Okay. Yes, I can. Okay. Alrighty. Yep. And I will. There we go. Okay. And yep, that's my phone number. Sure. I don't get enough text. That's not my number. Okay, here we go. Installing because Well, Wreck of the Maria Doria is just that bad. I played it recently and it's still terrible. Like, there's no reason why it should exist, but it does. Okay. The part I hate the most is entering my work history. It just takes so long to fix things from my resume. Exit that. So there's kind of a move you have to do in the beginning of Wreck of the Maria Doria that makes you have like near full health, enough to be able to get through the level the normal way. But there's also like two gunmen and a bat guy that will definitely ruin your day. Oh my god, why did you do that? Engineering, August 2014. Okay, there doesn't need to be a description. I will have all of those because why not? And yeah, I have the resume. Fleet. What was it? Fleet care worker. Yeah. And boop. 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 Give it a moment. Give it a moment. Give it a moment. Almost. This takes a while to load up. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. This is not a resume, this is a cover letter. Okay, and how do I hear about this opportunity? Yes. No. 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 Male. See, it just has a choice of male and female. No, I'm not. Oh, I don't have a disability. Yes. Okay, we're good on that. Alright, so let's go over Wreck of the Maria Doria. So, Wreck of the Maria Doria, you run out of hallway to a door that is underwater to a room with a scuba guy and two bundles of harpoons. Underneath, grating hallway leads to a room with a large med pack, and the following tile part Takes 90% of health, straight drop. Proper way to drop from tiles is to run to a tile, turn around, and grab a tile that is still there. But make sure that you land on an elevated part. 20% to 10% damage reduced comparatively. Fall down, then jump into water, get small med pack, pull a lever to open a trapdoor that leads to a room with a shotgun guy, automatic pistol guy, and bat guy, which is the worst part of the level. Kill a bat guy and a shotgun guy when returning back to room. Find 2 chairs. Up above is an opening that leads to a dark hallway with a shotgun guy, and below by a changing station is the stone dragon. Move several blocks, 5, to open 2 passages up. One passage leads to a blue 2-tiered room with the bat guy on the first level and automatic pistol guy on second, guarding door. Go to back room with the floor of glass, drop and grab and get the restroom key. Go to dining area to put key in push button to open glass doors, push another button to open door in blue double tiered circuit breaker room, but also push button again to close glass doors. In the circuit breaker blue double tier room, get the first circuit breaker by going around the room. Go through door to go to several door pressurized hallway and go to the farthest one. Farthest pressurized door. Pull a block to make a bridge so that a block can be pulled on top of the bridge, and a flip switch can be pulled to open the door above. The door leads to a hallway that leads to a back guy and a room with a rusty key and a lever that opens the door. The key is inserted and the bridge on the other side is made so that a block can be pulled and the inside block can be pushed, and it leads to a hallway with breakable tiles, rolling barrels. A jade secret requires a barrel to be tossed, to be teased and then pull up, go down, then go to the canoe area with the shotgun guy. There's an underwater lever in the canoe area that opens the door. So she gets up above the grating into the jump and slope area where she pulls the lever that opens another wall door. She goes to the glass 4 triple tier area to destroy a shotgun guy on her level, an automatic pistol guy, and shotgun guy on the level below her. She pushes a button to open a trap door, pushes another button to drain the water in the canoe room, grabs the circuit breaker, and gets out through another trap door. She falls on the canoe and takes 25% damage. Opens a pressurized door, goes up a slope, and finds a way to the restroom area. Press this button, which lowers trapdoor to restroom area. Kills an automatic pistol guy and back guy closes glass doors, drops back down into the glass door area to retrieve last circuit breaker. Goes back to the turbine room with the 3 enemies and puts the 3 circuit breakers into put out 3 fires to pull a block to climb up into an opening, pull the lever and jump onto turbines that are flat now, and gets rid of a metal back guy, jumps across turbines to get to an opening which has a large drop into a creepy inside ship area. Black, blue, and grays. Kills a metal back guy and goes to the observatory area. There is a pressurized door with a flip switch that opens the door with the block to be pushed, revealing a flip switch that opens a trap door. The trap door leads to the underwater area outside of the glass. 2 sharks, 2 barracudas, an opening to the gold secret, and a grenade launcher. Requires a lot of outmaneuvering and awareness of fish and sharks. The cabin guy key is inserted. A flip switch is pulled, which opens a trap door, allowing a block to be pushed, which is climbed to pull another flip switch, which opens a trap door that leads to a 3-tier with underwater opening at bottom. 2 automatic pistol guys are on a level below, and the opening is the only way to get down. Go to area with 3 M16 clips and go in water in a cove with 3 deadly eels to an opening. Whose fish can be shot, and there is an opening that leads to the next level. The cabin key is extremely hard to find, but it is in the underwater area in the seaweed below the Golden Dragon. Rank is Y. Rating is a 7. Oh, okay. 75% of the level is getting circuit breakers and 25% is exploration. Good placements of enemies, atmosphere, good lighting, and wonderful progression. Also, events can be inferred, which is great. Good storytelling. So, in the past, I really hated this level, but in the end, things just flow naturally. It feels like a good progression of the level, and it is memorable in a way. You do remember this level for being the way that it is. Anyway, I'll be back with living quarters. Oh, it's stall this time. Living quarters is a pretty bland level. And I agree that it is bland level. So living quarters. You start out swimming and you pull an underwater lever that opens a trap door, and you are in a rib cage with a club guy. Then you enter the piston room and jump up a platform and go over to a hallway that leads to a shotgun guy and 2 club guys. Once you go down to the burner room with falling barrels and an underwater lever. In the burner room, jump to a crevice. With a pipe by jumping off the ramp and shimmy to the right and get off to pull the lever. Turn off the burners, jump up and up a ladder to a hallway that goes to a lever and a hole in the middle. The lever changes the piston so you can get to the other side and get the stone dragon on the ledge. Have to backtrack over the pistons after you get the secret. Once to the other side, a shotgun guy awaits and you are on the level of the main lever room. So you can push a metal crate so you can get up to the top level when you pull the lever below. The lever below grants access to a lever on a ledge through the path of the pistons. The lever shows a pan of the underwater burner room. The fall takes some damage. The underwater lever is pulled, the door is open, and a harpoon guy is unleashed, and you go to an underwater crevice with an underwater lever, which opens a trap door. You are led to an area with 2 levels and a lever which opens a door to a 2-lever room. The levers are timed to lift the trap doors to make a ledge you can shimmy on. So you shimmy to the right, pull up to pull a lever which sets the trapdoor down so that slopes can be slided to the next level where you kill a shotgun guy and the ground is blue. You pull a metal crate to get to the other side, drop down, shimmy, and jump into a hallway with a slope that leads to the other side of the area. You gain access to the blue wooden panel area and kill a metal club guy. Go down a hallway with a place to drop. We jump up a level, tease the breakable tile, fall to take damage, get the gold dragon, go through the glass, pull up and slide down a slope. Kill 2 barracudas. Tease the breakable tile that is submerged. Kill another barracuda. Swim through to receive the Jade Dragon and M16 clips. Go to the other side to shimmy at a slant. And go towards the slant to a red velvet hallway with a shotgun guy in a room that has 2 shotgun guys and a club guy with columns. A crate that is pulled to reveal a shotgun guy on the top ledge and the theater key. Go back to the block so you can jump the railings and can pull the wooden crate so an opening is revealed on the other side, which leads to a hallway with a keyhole and then leads to a stage with curtains and seating. Off in the high rise is a shotgun guy and a club guy, and there is a flip switch that opens the curtains and reveals a metal club guy and a hallway with a block to get to an opening, a pit, and a button that fills the water where the key was. You backtrack through the high hole on the stage and through the glass doors to gun down a shotgun guy, jump through the water, pull up on the other side, and go through to the next level. Rank is okay. Rating is 8.2. Shotgun guy enemies would drop different types of ammo. All of the club / back guys were here. Greed, who punches. Black, which has the bat. White, which has the metal club. Using trapdoors to shimmy. Exploring different areas of ship and scenery changes. Rusted metal to wooden floors to red velvet carpet to theater. Have an idea of the lifestyle of people on the ship. Alright, so living quarters is an 8.2. It captures the spirit of the theme of the underwater levels very well. Oh, no, the deck. The deck. You start off in a hallway and you kill a flamethrower guy on the second level of the deck. Grab 2 sets of grenades, then you jump into the water from a window. You platform, kill 2 barracudas, jump from blue ledges to a slope ledge and grab the stern key and swim through a crevice to the ground floor of the deck with a metal club guy. You venture forward to kill a flamethrower guy, go to the box stack area, push the block to push the second level of block to the right block to pull the left block below and push it so a block can be pulled, revealing a doorway with flares and the stern keyhole. This leads to an underwater area with the door with an underwater lever that opens a trapdoor by a ladder, and the shotgun guy is there. Automatically going over the trapdoor lets you fall. You go up the ladder to a lever which drains the water in the stern room. Great use of metal ladders. Draining the water allows you to pull a block out, go into a hallway with an opening by a metal rusted propeller, out to a lake with an orange boat into the middle of the lake. There is a stone dragon on the ground by seaweed and 2 harpoon guys. There's a ledge on the left that leads to a metal club guy and some ammo and a path that leads to a hallway that is white and has a shotgun guy and 2 paths. The left path
involves climbing up rocks to the deck. Third floor. Two bad guys are killed. You go to the second floor to pull a block to get back up, but you get two M16 clips, and there's a pool with a horizontal trapdoor and a flamethrower guy that spawns a harpoon guy that comes out with a barracuda and guards the gold dragon. You shoot a shotgun guy on the 1.5 level, go down, pull a block around a column so you can get back up. You grab Uzi clips on the back of a slope, go on the other side of the 1.5 level, pull a block so you can get back up. You go on the second level out to the long wooden area, jump to a rock, then to a metal part to a crevice that has the jade dragon with shards of glass. You take some damage. You go all the way back to the second level. You go to the lake to get up on the boat through You go to the lake to get up on the boat through and get the storage key and eliminate the possibility of going to the other path. Picking a large med pack, dropping down the rough hole, losing 90% of your health. You make it to the second floor, go on top of the metal high rise through the 1.5 level and jump over to the metal rusted top area with propeller. Drop off the ledge to catch another ledge, go up to jump to a crevice which goes to a hallway of rocks to a slope that has blocks sticking out to get to the top. Two metal club guys. There's a way to get onto the 3.5 level of the deck and go down a trap door. Take out a metal club guy. The door opens. A block is pulled out to reveal a flip switch that opens another door. We defeat a shotgun guy, go through the door, grab two M16 clips. We find two sets of grenades. We insert the ornate key, go through the door, go over two breakable tile paths, press a button that opens the door. It leads to a metal club guy. The door leads to the deck, 4th floor, and you drop down on the rusty thing to the storage key. You find your way down to the ground floor by going on top of the rusted thing with a propeller, where you kill two flamethrower guys on the ground floor. You drop onto the stack of blocks, insert the storage room key, get the Seraph. Laura floats to the water, gets into the seaplane, takes off her clothes, starts the engine, flies to Tibet, finds the brown outfit, a propeller stops, crashes into a mountain, she parachutes away while her seaplane explodes. The seaplane is out of fuel, and that's why the propellers fail to move. FMV. Rank is iconic, rating is a 9.5. Jade's secret placement is clever, lake with boat is done pretty well. Sharks will come out of the opening you need to go after you get the key. Flamethrowers have their proper placement. The FMV is cool and inspired by Temple of Doom. The multi-level design is pretty cool. Underwater and on land areas are done pretty well. The swimming pool is a nice touch. Emphasis is on timing and exploration. There are aesthetically pleasing areas that you are required to go. This is an ammo-friendly level. The boat fall damage puts pressure on the player, but it is the right pressure, and there is a way to do fall damage while getting all the secrets. No using med packs and not saving. Okay. So that is the Pacific Ocean levels. Under the Pacific Ocean. I call it under the Pacific Ocean because I assume that's where it is. It could not be entirely, but I don't know. I don't know where it is. How would I know? Anyway, we are beyond the halfway point of the level. I don't know what this white stuff is, but yikes. Anyway, that's about it for Under the Pacific Ocean levels. You can hear it in my voice. My voice is shot because of this, but that's okay. We got through it together, and I hope you have a good day. God, why does it just go in there? Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that review. I spent a lot of time pouring through my past videos in the past, going over the details of those levels, and by far, it is hard to separate these levels. They are very similar to each other, and it's very hard to give them a rating because they feel very similar to each other. I think the deck really recaptures the magic of 40 Fathoms in being an atmospheric level, but it allows you to explore in the way that you want to. And I think that is impressive, you know. That it allows you to explore the way that you want to. I think that is very creative and very telling of what Tomb Raider was meant to be. Have you explore in the way that you want to, in an atmospheric level. Anyway, this is Tyler Vorseth, and I will see you next time. Tyler Vorseth out. Bye.